We've just completed the sewing tutorial for this summer top. Now, let's move on to drafting the pattern together. This pattern is based on a basic kimono block pattern. First, draw a 50 cm x 70 cm rectangle, making sure all corners are right angles. The 70 cm is the top's length, but you can adjust it according to your preference. All measurements are marked from the straight edge of the rectangle. From the top of the line, measure 28 cm downward and draw the bust line. Measure 42 cm down from the top of the line and draw the waistline. The final line is the hemline, which is also the bottom edge of our pattern. First, we'll prepare the back panel. For the back neckline, measure 8 cm inward and 3 cm down, then draw the neckline curve. For controlling the shoulder slope, measure 10 cm down from the end of the 50 cm line and mark the point. From the neckline point, draw a guideline so you can mark the shoulder length and sleeve length along this line. From the neckline point, mark 12 cm for the shoulder length and 22 cm for the sleeve length. From the right angle corner, measure 15 cm down and mark the back shoulder width area. On the across back line, measure 19 cm inward and mark the point. Draw the armhole curve as shown in the video. On the bust line, mark 28 cm. This measurement is calculated using the following formula: 1/4 of the bust circumference plus 4 to 8 cm of ease. At this stage, draw the armhole curve. For the hem width of the top, mark 28 to 30 cm along the hemline. You can calculate your measurement using this formula: 1 to 4 hip circumference plus 4 to 8 cm ease. On the armhole curve, about 5 cm below the across back line, draw the sleeve edge as shown in the video. At the point shown on the pattern, measure 1.5 cm inward on the sleeve and mark the point, then draw the sleeve curve. Raise the armhole by 2 cm from the bust line to make the armhole more fitted. This 2 cm adjustment is optional. If you are comfortable with a more open armhole at the bust area, this adjustment is not necessary. On the CB center back line at the waist level, allow 2 cm for waist shaping and 1.5 cm at the side seam for additional shaping. Once the back pattern is complete, copy the main pattern lines onto a new sheet so you can create the front pattern and make the necessary adjustments. For the front panel, allow 10 to 12 centimeters for the neckline depth. For a better shoulder shape and a smoother fit on the body, reduce the front shoulder length by 1 centimeter. Before separating the back pattern piece, draw the grain line on the pattern. For sleeve pattern development, we first need to have a complete sleeve pattern ready. According to the sleeve design we have in mind, we create the required fullness. I used linen fabric for this project, measuring 150 centimeter in width and 85 centimeter in length. You can watch the full sewing tutorial for this beautiful top on my channel. I've added the link at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. See you in my next projects.